Hello students, welcome back to your channel. So here I am back with another video regarding the simplest way to find out all the basic values of trigonometric table. So let me begin. So as you can see in this table we have some basic degrees, that is 0 degree, 30 degree, 45, 60 and 90 degree, right? This is a ready-made table. But on the other hand we have some trigonometric ratios, that sine, cos, tan. These all are called the trigonometric ratios, and let we take the angle theta with these all trigonometric ratios. Okay, so how to find out these values? First of all, I'm starting with the values of sine. So let's we start with that under root 0 by 4, under root 1 by 4, under root 2 by 4, and under root 3 by 4, and the last one is under root 4 by 4. This is the basic way to find out all the values easily. So you need to start from 0 and you have to go all the way to 4 with the denominator 4, right? So when I'm going to solve this, you can see this is 0, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 by under root 2, because when you will solve this, so it will give you 1 by 2, right? So this will be under root 3 by 2 and this will be 1. Okay, so if I will remove all these things, like I will remove all these things, so you will have some all basic values of sine theta from 0 to 90. Now in the next step, what we have to do, in the case of cos theta, I will flip all the values. Like 90's value will be on 0, that is 1, right? 60's value will be on 30, so under root 3 over 2, then 1 over under root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. Okay, so in the case of tan, as we know that tan is equal to sine over cos, right? So I'm going to take that two values, sine over cos. So 0 over 1 is equal to 0. If I will divide these two, you can see 2 will cancels out and this will be 1 by under root 3. Then this will cancel out also. This is 1, then under root 3. And what is 1 by 0? This is equals to infinite, right? So in the case of cot, I again going to flip those values. So here infinity, then under root 3, 1, 1 over under root 3 and 0. Okay, so in the case of secant, you know that secant is a reciprocal of cos, so I will write secant is equals to 1 by cos. So here I have the values of cos, so these are the values of cos. Okay, so I'm going to reciprocal these all values. You can see the reciprocal is 1, so the reciprocal of this is 2 over under root 3, under root 2, 2. And what is the reciprocal of 0? As you can see that 0 can be written as 0 over 1. So the reciprocal of 0 is 1 over 0, which is further equal to infinity. So this will be infinite. So in the case of cosecant, I will flip again the values of secant. So you can see infinity is there, 2 under root 2, 2 over under root 3 and 1. So here we complete that whole table. So this is very easy way to find out all the values of, so this is very easy way to find out all the values of sine to cosecant from 0 to 90 degree in a trigonometric table. So that is it. I hope you like the information. Please do subscribe and like the videos. Thank you so much.